Hey there, it's Ashley from WTI, and I don't know about you, but I'm always looking for a really pretty blush to put on, and I seem to go through blush a lot. So I was looking on Amazon which one I was going to get, and this one popped up. It had really good reviews. It's the Physicians Formula Natural Glow and Mood Boosting Blush. It's a great size here that you can easily throw in your purse or in your makeup case, and it has these really pretty colors. So it has some darker browns, some lighter browns, almost a bronze, and then some pink tones in it. But the pink is not overwhelming, and that's exactly what I was looking. I didn't want something super pink or peachy. It has a really nice balance to it. It also comes with its own brush. I use my own blush brush, but you can use the one that come with it in case you're in a rush. I like to use more of a powder brush to use on my cheeks, and it goes on super smooth. It lasts all day, and it has a really nice sheen to it. Not too much glitter, but it does give you a nice glow, as it states. So I would definitely recommend this. It's beautiful, and it's exactly what I was looking for, but that's just my point of view.